Alright guys, this is lesson 4, unit 7, patterns and expressions. So a numerical pattern is a sequence of numbers that shares a relationship. Each number in a numerical pattern is a term. Below we show the first 5 terms of a pattern. So the pattern above starts with 3, and then each term is 2 more than the previous term. You can write numerical expressions for the terms. We show 2 possible expressions for each term below. So they have 3 plus 2, or 3 plus 1 times 2. We have 3 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2, 3 plus 2 times 2. So A says write 2 expressions for the next term, the 6th term. So our pattern is that we're adding 2 each time. So what we could do is write 3 plus 2, that would be our first expression, plus 2 more, plus 2 more, plus 2, and then for the 6th term, plus 2. Or another way we can write that would be, we have 3 plus 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then we're going to multiply that by 2. So then it says write the next term. If we're adding 2 each time, 9, 10, 11, 11, 12, 13 would be our next term. Number 2, write the first 5 terms of a numerical pattern that begins with 5 and then adds 5. So this is telling me I have 5, and then the next number is going to be add 5. So 5 plus 5 is 10, and then plus 5 more, we get 15, plus 5 more is 20, and it asks for the first 5 terms, so we'll add 5 one more time, and we get 25. It says write an expression for the 6th term of the pattern. This is the same thing we did in 1a. What we did is we added 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 5, and for our 6th term we will add 5 more. Or we can write it a simple way, and it says the 6th term, so we'll do 6, and our pattern is to add 5, so we'll multiply by 5. If we're adding 5 every time, it's the same as multiplying by 5. And it asks for the 6th term, which 6 times 5 is 30. 3 says write the first 5 terms of a numerical pattern that begins with 1 and then adds 9. So it begins with 1 and then adds 9. So 9 plus 1 is 10. 10 plus 9 is 19. Plus 9 is 28. Plus 9 more would be 37. And again, write an expression for the 6th term. We could do 1 plus 5 here, because it's asking for the 6th term. 5 times 9. So we started with 1, we didn't start with 0. So in parentheses there. Or we could write something like 1 plus 9 plus 9. Or we can go ahead and write all of those out, plus 9 plus 9 plus 9, 5 times, because we started at 1 and we're looking for the 6th. So 5 times 9 is 45, and then plus 1 would be 46. So our 6th term is 46.